Hey there, John-Hooks here. Welcome to my review of SpotiCash. This is going to be a fairly quick review because I'm going to go through it pretty quickly. Not much to it, unfortunately. Now, SpotiCash, it reads that it pockets me $50 every time I stream a song. And this is from the creator of it. So it exposes a $7.1 billion music industry loophole. So you're getting paid to vibe, listen to your favorite music. All right. And a little bit more of what it says here. Get paid real cash just by listening to music. You heard me right. With SpotiCash, all you have to do is listen to music and you can start raking in the cash. This revolutionary software does all the work for you and you get all the profit. I can be anywhere in the world. I can still get paid using SpotiCash because how SpotiCash is designed. You can access it from your phone, your laptop, your iPad, anywhere you want. It doesn't matter where you are. All you need is just an internet connection. All right, and so this is at $19, and there's a $2 exit coupon when you leave the page, and I believe that is for every single line or OTO here. But here's the deal. In looking into this, SpotiCash doesn't tell you anything about how you actually get paid just for listening to music. What the creators are specialists in is transcribing, and they had a product about 6 months ago. I forget what it was called. Let's see here. If I had the name of it here, something like, Paying Bee, I believe it was the name. And basically it was listing a list of services, that pay you for transcription, but they had it all in one app, and so you just go to one place and find your work. And this is pretty much the same thing. You're not actually transcribing music. I don't know where the music is coming from. I went ahead and did this review video because I had pre-made my bonus page here in advance, and I figured, let me go ahead and do the same thing. And of course, SpotiCash is they are relaunching it from about 9 months ago. So you may have heard of it already, and maybe it was a successful seller and they're doing a relaunch on it. That's usually what happens, and trying to earn some more money again. But listen, I think that if you were to click on any of my red banners here and go over to the sales page, you'll see the claims of what's been made. You see income proof. I don't know if I believe that income is actually from using SpotiCash, though. Basically because of what they're explaining what the program is, and what they show you what it is in the demo video, which I do have here on my page. And by the way, this is their demo video, and the audio is horrible. It just doesn't seem to be a quality product. But being I might have your attention here, and you took the time to get this far into my review, I am going to give you all of the bonuses that I have put on this page to you without you having to purchase anything. All right, and so let me take you through those bonuses. Start off with, I'm giving you Internet Marketing A to Z. That is a digital download edition. It is a flip book. That's pretty popular these days. Back to Basics, the tools that you need for success. The Super Shakedown. This is the insider secrets of the super affiliates, with a series of master classes and case studies and trainings to help you start making serious money online. Bonus number 4, the affiliate takedown. And that drives more leads and sales on demand from on-demand traffic. Okay, so you get all of those just by either scanning or tapping, if you're on a mobile device, this QR code. It'll take you right to the form to get your bonuses that I just mentioned above. And of course, if you end up purchasing SpotiCash, you also get the additional bonuses that the vendor is giving to you also. All right. Now, if you decide to purchase, this is on the Warrior Plus platform. So when you go to your secure checkout, if you click on any of my red banners here, you'll be taken to your purchase page where you will click on the green button to access your SpotiCash, and you'll click on the blue button to access the bonuses that I have given to you today. All right. And so that is the quick and simple of it. I want to go ahead and thank you once again for taking the time to watch this review. Go ahead and do that QR code to get those bonuses just for your time today. Happy holidays to you. All right, that is it. And as always, to your success.